Welcome to the demonstration of IoT spy robot with laser gun. So here we are going to control the robot movement and also by getting the live streaming from this ESP32 camera, and parallelly we are going to control the direction of this robot forward, backward, left, right, and that will be controlled through this DC motors. So we have interfaced the two DC motors for the robot movement. That's a 60 RPM DC motors, and that two DC motors interface to the ESP32 camera from this L293D motor driver. So at the pin numbers of 12, 13, 14, 15 pins. And in order to do the laser gun shooting operation, we have attached this laser at the pin number 2 through this transistor board, because we need to on and off the laser with a switch. And here, as we know, that BC547 transistor will act as a switch. Through this BC547 transistor board, we are going to on and off this laser as a gun presentation, and that will be controlled through the browser. So from the browser, we are going to control the robot movement by seeing the visuals directly in the browser, and also we can control the laser, and we can get the night vision with the help of this headlight, which is placed on the ESP32 camera directly. So the whole system getting power supply from this 12 volt 1 amp battery, which is rechargeable battery. So in order to recharge the battery, we'll show you the process. So first of all, off the cage and connect the battery at this B slot. So B for the battery and T for the transformer. So we need to connect the transformer over here and keep this aside like this. Don't place it on any other components. And now on the power supply to the cage. So the green LED will show the status of the battery is charging. Once the battery is fully charged, automatically the current flow will be stopped with the help of these diodes, and then it will be fully charged in a duration of 6 hours minimum, 8 hours maximum. So you should keep this battery under full charge before demonstration of the project. So after time completion, we can disconnect the charger and switch off the charging power supply. And now this is the main on-off switch to working the cage. And here this 12 volts 1 amp supply is given as input to the main power source to the DC motors through this L293D motor driver. But we need 5 volts power supply to make it use from the ESP32 camera and a laser gun, because the operating voltage for these two is a 5 volts. For that purpose, we are making use of a LM2596. So that is a regulator, so which will take 12 volts DC input and provide us the 5 volts DC output. The 5 volts DC output is directly to the laser as well as to the ESP32 camera and parallel to the L293D also, because L293D operating voltage is 5 volts, but it will switching the 12 volts power supply to the DC motors for the forward, backward, left, right rotations. Okay, so before on the kit, we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So just go to hotspot settings of your phone and change the hotspot name to project 5714. So that should be without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 123456789, and then AB band should be 2.4 gigahertz. So after enable the hotspot and install the network analyzer application from the Play Store. So as we shown the icon, this is the icon available in the Play Store. So after installation, now on the power supply. So we can see one device will be connected in your phone. So we can see that the ESP module is connected in your phone. Right. After that confirmation, go to network analyzer application, go to options, do LAN scan and do scan here. So there we get the IP address of your phone as well as our ESP32 camera. Copy this. And now go to Google Chrome. Paste it and now go to that. So we are getting the visuals directly. And when you want to move the robot in forward movement, just click and hold the forward button. So move forward till you hold that, it will do the respective operation. And laser gun on. So as you can see that the laser gun on, switch it on, and laser off, and headlight on, headlight off. Let us see the demonstration on the floor. Right. So laser on, laser off. Laser on, again laser off, highlight off. Right.